I dropped my favorite extension pole and broke the latch. It's not particularly an expensive pole, but why throw it out when only a small piece of plastic is broken? After all, isn't that exactly why we buy 3D printers? The original latch has a metal lock pin. It looks like brass. I decided to print the latch with a built-in plastic pin. If this doesn't last, I can always redesign it or print a bunch more latches. Let me show you how this was done. First, to remove the broken latch, use a small pin punch and a small hammer. A wrench is also handy. There are only 3 parts: the latch, the lock pin, and a small spring. I snapped a photo that I imported into Fusion to get started. I did have to make a few revisions to get it right, but it was fairly easy. I used PETG High Flow with PLA as support material. No change to the quality settings. For the strength settings, I used 100% infill. Speed settings unchanged. For support, tree slim support automatic setting, 30% threshold angle. PLA support interface and top and bottom C setting set to 0.3 millimeter. Using the PLA support material really helps making a clean print and makes it much easier to remove the supports. Check out my video on using support materials. I'll have a link in the description. To install the new latch, the spring needs to slide into the groove on the pole and on the latch. It looks harder than it is. It's not really too hard. I can't vouch for the longevity yet, but the latch works perfectly.